Hi, boys and girls. Today we will focus on learning about meteorologists and how they forecast or predict the weather from day to day. So I want you to clip on this little screen over here and learn about this little girl who wants to be a meteorologist when she grows up. The weather on Earth is always changing, and meteorology is a field of science that studies changes in weather on a day-to-day basis in a specific place. So when we listen to the weather, we want to know what's going on in Roswell. Is it going to be sunny today, rainy tomorrow, cold, windy? We want to watch a weather forecast from a meteorologist to see what they're going to tell us. The scientists who study meteorology are called meteorologists. And if you've ever watched a weather forecast on television or listened to a weather update on the radio, you have seen a meteorologist at work. Using various tools such as maps and radar stations or a weather station, meteorologists forecast whether it will rain, snow, and whether it will be warm or cold. They can also warn people if a storm is approaching. So I want you to stop and draw a picture for today on how you think meteorologists help people.